Warga Patisi TV.
Ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit, Dawa ke Sarkar Jalaban Ailad ke Samla Pule graduate ke bidang update ke result final year. Bagian Ïakhun ke preliminary stage jong ka examen Meghalaya Civil Services, baik dengan Meghalaya Police Service, pelaju penlong dengan Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Uno aktif jong BJP ba karang ke jingga kerem bekilat patai kubor ulayat ho baka parti kala paru daka dor khas. Syumin rang ba ka jelau konrad ke sangma ban penkelano ke kendon. Haga kedan Pule kenaman Ailad ru iki Samla Pule bidang up ke result jong final year. Banyo Ïakhun ke preliminary stage nak bentak examen MCS but MPS. Ulang bagajing bampen kelai ke kendon kan pinduk nong iki Samla Pule graduate ke bidang up ke result final year. Padang ru bagi MPSC ke Dewan Prilat iki Samla kumbali lem ke Union Public Service Commission.
Menengasi ngila submit koi ka petition. So Chief Minister Badan Buram Jingi, so office Jingi lah receive petition ke Jongi. Berkini kalau halor ke recruitment, mentah ke ban tap kam syaka sigi MCS MPS. Berfagi buan ki ni penbut ban ia ke Union Public Service Commission ke company exam ke Jongi. But to certain extent balak syllabus ru. Tendri dan tangi bijing tu kau angne kalau ba UPSC kisah yang itu kena kibla jendep yang ke graduation juki ban apply. Tangba, syuab gile kami exam suki kini benyo certificate kelada pass ikam degree joki. Kadba ke MPSC jungi de kim sha ikata. Te UPSC ke penong exams manusnam kadba ga MPSC de penong exams tang sisim sansnam ikata. Te hangni ngisngo ba ke pendolat ikti kena belajar kod ke graduation tang bagi dai ba kisu slam no ite sambanai ni rubanai kim yo ban apply kini ka kini post ban ki hab adu sandri slam hadir baru kena apply biang. Tiga ni ngasungu kalong ngasungu kapen do mensi miki buat ni request ke government badang ni sekemat lagi advertising ki post ban sya ikini ki graduate nak ni ka jenong graduate tam ki pat dep te tamba ni condition ba syua begin le kami exams lagi la di benda graduation kini ka penlong ban Ailad kambun chu ki kena bagi apply gini ki post but haju ko poru lada kimio amakanaru takamut kan experience kala don takamut penlong dia exams kala yo experience sin manila exams and kabalai ru kadai ba probably nakini berak sulat ru ngidang la maybe ngidang yo su dang bun kina kambit su ru te kan yarap ya ka jipurung kam ngin yo kina ba kambit su ka jipurung kam tingi aru ka jing ai kublai ru ila sarkar kabla pendu no ke interview nam ta ki grade 4 ngai gala mi government notification ke ba ong ba na du mata nung da chu interview kan ni ba pha tam mal grade 4 hi kan ni kalong inline ba ka jingle ka central government ke la le ta la bun snam kila pendu ke interview na mata ki grade 4 tentang ngai ba ka state government jingi ke la le kan ni ba pha ni aku blai ka state government lot kan whatever these issues that we have taken up, these are concerning the youths. So that's why they are here, and both of them have been working tirelessly for a lot of issues which concern youths. So I'll just go through it. This is a petition which I had submitted to the Chief Minister's office yesterday and delivered to the office of the Honorable Chief Minister. This is regarding the qualifications for the MPS and MCS examination, competitive examination. Through the years, what we have seen is that whenever they call for interviews for the MCS and MPS, they are following the same pattern as the UPSC. Okay. And everything, the same pattern, the preliminaries, then the intermediate, and ultimately the final exam and the interview. But what we have observed here is that there's one thing that they have not followed as per the UPSC norms. It is not mandatory, of course, but if they had done so, it would have opened much more opportunities for our youths to apply for these exams. And what is this is a very critical thing is that UPSC does allow the graduates who have not yet graduated but who's in last year of their studies to apply for the UPSC exam, provided that before they appear for the main exams, they should have a certificate of completion of their degree. Okay. Unlike here in the MPSC, only graduates are allowed. The difference between UPSC and MPSC is that UPSC conducts these exams on a yearly basis. It is a routine thing that they conduct every year. However, when it comes to MPS exams, when the MCS and MPS are advertised, they are being advertised once in 5 years. And here we find that a lot of the yet to be graduates, we are debarring them from applying for these exams because of the fact that they have asked for strictly for graduates. So we have sent a petition to the Honorable Chief Minister because now it appears that there is some restructuring of the MPSC and all. And so we thought that this is the right time for us to send a petition to the Office of the Chief Minister to kindly consider that please do allow graduates, I don't say graduates, but the students who are on the final year of the graduation, to allow them also to compete for these exams on the condition that before they appear for the main exams, they should have completed their graduation. So pass the exam, but it allows them to gain experience. And second thing is that, maybe some of them may also qualify, by the time that the exams actually get held. Because if you see, most of these MCS and MPS exams are held once in 5 years. So, so once we debar them just because they are just 6 months away from becoming graduates, so we debar them for a very, very long time. Unlike the UPSC, which conducts every year, but still then they allow the yet to be graduates to apply.
Every year exam should be held here also?
Definitely, if they have the resources to conduct, definitely. I would not say it's a logic, but I would say probably we don't have the resources to hold it every year.
5 years is a too long period.
But that has been going on for a long time now, no? So, of course, the vacancies also are there. Now, the vacancies are too less also now. If they have to conduct every year, then probably you'll have very few vacancies. So, of course, because of that reason, probably they don't call it every year. They don't hold the exams every year. And here also we would like to thank the government. In fact, there's one issue that we wanted to take up in the past, is that we would like to appreciate the government that they have done away with the interviews for the grade 4, which is very good. It brings about transparency in the recruitment process. And government has issued notification in this, and we do hope that it is followed by all the departments, that there shall be no more interviews for grade 4 class posts.
Pin rius pa ya kak tien la jong pin dam kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tien khasi kak tien la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai pi ong gate habangi don la ka jong kak tien khasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang ya katuka phalor ni juya ong Saka weipan, kakten kasi kamju ong banya kiw yaw up, hinrangi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi dakapate CTV, nakabenta ka jingmantoy upat ba.